Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Xiaomi launches Mi Bluetooth audio receiver and Mi Selfie stick tripod accessories in India. Xiaomi India today announced two new accessories in the country. One is the Mi Bluetooth audio receiver and the other one is the Mi Selfie stick tripod. The Bluetooth audio receiver is priced at Rs 999 in the country, while the Selfie stick tripod can be purchased for Rs 1099. Both the products will be available in the country via Mi.com. Xiaomi is constantly adding new accessories to its product portfolio, and the new additions are possibly the best ones till date. For the unaware, last month, Xiaomi announced its Mi crowdfunding program in India, under which it'll be selling select products in limited quantities, post which the products will be launched in the country. Both the Mi Bluetooth audio receiver and Mi Selfie stick tripod were part of the company's crowdfunding program. Having said that, users have supported the program and both received enough bidders, which is the reason why Xiaomi now introduced them officially in India. During the crowdfunding program as well, Xiaomi kept the prices same as the launch prices. Users can now head over to the company's Mi.com and purchase the products if interested. To be noted, India was the second country after China where Xiaomi introduced the Mi crowdfunding program. Coming to the products, the Mi Selfie stick tripod functions as both selfie stick and tripod stand, and the best part is the Bluetooth shutter remote support. The accessory comes with an aluminium alloy rod, and the length can be adjusted as per the user's requirement. With the Bluetooth shutter remote, users can connect it to Android and iOS devices. The device can fit in the Xiaomi Mi Max 2 with ease, and it's aimed at vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. Coming to the Xiaomi Mi Bluetooth audio receiver, it's based on Bluetooth 4.2 technology and converts wired earphones, headphones into wireless headphones. Furthermore, this nice little accessory can also be used to convert an analog car music system into a wireless music system. Xiaomi stated that the audio received even comes with a built-in amp, along with a 97 mAh battery that is to deliver 4 to 5 hours of battery life. There's a single button for on/off and connecting to other devices. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.